Hi, welcome to Perkins Motors. We're showcasing our 2022 Jeep Wrangler. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. Today we want to do just a quick series of how-to videos. You know how to fill up your washer fluid, check your oil, and check some of the other vital fluids of your vehicle. Hey, welcome back to Perkins. My name is Shawn Miller. We're going to continue our series of how-to videos. We're lucky this model here has got a power steering reservoir. Now all of them still have it, even though, but Shawn, it's electric. It doesn't have power steering fluid. Electric power steering systems still do have fluid, and they still do need to be changed. There again, we're about every 24 to 36 months, depending on your driving habits, to go ahead and change that fluid. All right, so this one has a power steering reservoir on top, makes it real easy. You can't really see because the air filter box is in the way, but there are lines in there. There again, you're going to notice that it's a translucent color, so you can see the color of the fluid and also the fluid level. This one is right middle of the minimum and the maximum line, so that's the perfect amount of fluid that you want in the system. Some of our models are a little harder to see. They're a little bit further down here in the engine bay. I would suggest that you bring it to us and let us check it for you as opposed to you doing it yourself. My suggestion is if you can't see your power steering reservoir, it's a little further down in the engine, so I would suggest that you come here and let us check it. We also do check it as part of the multi-point inspection we do it on our oil changes. My name is Shawn Miller, and I'll be here to greet you.